Hello and welcome to your next car and the walk around video for the 330D M Sport Saloon XDRIVE. Presented in Melbourne red and alongside that fantastic exterior colour, you'll also see as we make our way around, we fitted this car with a full Your Next Car Mperformance body styling kit, and the vehicle comes with a wide array of fantastic BMW optional extras. Alongside that nice exterior kit, we've also added a set of the genuine BMW 442M 19-inch alloys, and we just have those professionally refurbished in the bi-colour jet black. Situated behind those alloys, you will see the M Sport Plus brakes, and on this car, that does mean we have got the full BMW M Sport Plus pack. At the front of the car, not only will you see those really eye-catching LED headlamps, it's a 2017 plate, and moving on for the side view now, you can see the gloss black M3 Aero style mirror caps alongside the fantastic satin side vinyls matching sidebars, and of course the YNC Mperformance decals. Thanks again to the M Sport Plus package, we do get the sun protection glazing on the rear windows, and we shall now move forward to show you the interior, which again works really nice in contrast with that light exterior colour. It's the black Dakota leather in this car, comes with both the heated and electric lumbar options, and is all exceptionally clean and tidy. We've also got the incredible 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, and we shall of course also take a further look at all of the interior shortly. Harman Kardon surround sound, again thanks to the Plus package. In the rear, you'll find a nicely fixed 3-seat rear bench, a central folding armrest, and of course, we've got the darkened M Sport headlining, all once again in superb condition. Before heading to the very rear of the car, you will see again just how nice these alloys really are. Stand out very nicely against the Melbourne red, and of course, standing out but nicely behind there, you'll see the M Sport Plus brakes once again. So round towards the rear of the car, we've added a high gloss rear boot spoiler and matching diffuser for this vehicle, and of course I did mention it's an XDRIVE vehicle, so we've got that fantastic sophisticated XDRIVE four-wheel drive, keeping all of that power planted down towards the road. As you can see, you get a lovely large size boot on the F33 3 Series, and of course the nicely presented floor mats there. Round at the other side of the car, again we can show you that this is a very nicely presented car, and the Melbourne red really does work exquisitely nicely with all of the additions we've made here, and of course those real eye-catching standout alloys. And I'm now going to go ahead, take a seat inside the car, and just run yourselves through a couple of the interior features in a bit more detail. Starting with the professional wide navigation and media screen the car comes equipped with, and we'll start the car up and run you through a couple of the features of that, starting with the sat nav, which utilises real-time traffic update to keep you on the fastest route possible. It's also got Bluetooth, telephone and audio. We've got a wide array of multimedia inputs, including DAB, music collection, AUX and USB inputs. Going back to the main menu, in 1 second we'll go ahead and check out the service requirements. Down here is your dual climate controls along with the switches for the heated seats. This car has only covered just over 31,000 miles, so it's a really nice low mileage example. Did of course mention about the 8-speed sports automatic gearbox, has the cruise control, speed limiter, voice and volume controls. So we'll now show you the service requirements and service history for this lovely 330D. 13,000 miles till next service, and the service history is full BMW service history. Once again, a real nice peace of mind there. So thank you very much for taking the time to watch this walk around video. Hopefully you've enjoyed it and been able to find it useful. If you do of course want to get in touch with ourselves here at Your Next Car, we'll happily answer anything we can. The contact details are always in the description, alongside a link for our website, where of course you can view this vehicle along with all of our other amazing examples. Thank you once again. Do of course take care, and we'll hopefully see yourselves very, very soon. Take care. Goodbye.